Hi Amelia, it's Colin. Yes, I can tell you why it's not loading up properly, because not all the files are on your server. We're missing files. Let me I wanted to show you through FTP, sort of the back end of the site here, if it makes sense. I'll try and give a little bit more room here in my video so we can see, but here's your site here. Right, we have the pages in the main folder, and this is what it sort of looks like in your editor here. Right, but if I go into the site folder, and then I go into the styles folder. Oh, we don't have any style sheets here. We should have style sheets here. And then in the Twitter Bootstrap folder, I should have quite a few style sheets in here, and there aren't any. And that's why it's not loading up. It's just the style sheets aren't loaded, or aren't on the server, so they're not loading the graphics and all the good bits and pieces that make the site actually look like the site. So let's just dig in to see what editor you're working with here. All right, looks like you're using a Microsoft program, I believe, to edit your site. Okay, so if you could let me know which Microsoft program or which editor you're working with. I can just have a quick whip up a quick video to make sure, but in a nutshell, you just want to make sure that you publish up all the folders and all the files. And one of the quick ways of doing this, let me see if I can whip up Expression Web here. Okay, like I said, if I knew what editor you're working with, I could make it a little bit more clear. But a lot of the times what I'll do is once I've connected to the server like so, like here's my site over here, here's my site over here, I just sort of put my cursor. I start with the top folder, scroll right down to the bottom. I hold my shift key and I just select everything. I just select everything in there. Then I right click and I do publish selected files to, and of course the test site I have is called Edge, but select publish selected files to, bang, and then I let it just overwrite everything on the server or upload everything on the server. That's probably all you need to do. Another trick is this. I've noticed that it's just the contents of perhaps the site folder that may not have went up. So just right click on your site folder, do the publish selected files to, upload that, and then have a look to see if all your website files show up, because that's all it's missing is from what I can tell, it's just the style sheets within the site styles folder. Let's just see if your graphics are here. Oh, we just have one graphic, so the graphics didn't make it up either. So I'd say publish all your folders there. As a matter of fact, I'd probably just select all the folders, right click and do the publish selected files to, and then the name of your website, and then get them up onto the server that way.